Hi there, this is my lock, and this little lock here was sent to me by Sammons. I'll put a link up here to Roy's channel and of course down in the description. Go check out his channel and subscribe, of course. Now, Roy knows that I'm on a little bit of a disc detainer journey, and he sent me, along with some cabinet locks and whatnot, he sent me a little disc detainer. It looks like it's an iron body with a plastic shroud and some rubber weather caps. But yeah, let's see if we can get this thing open. So there's the key. So we've probably got a 0 turn at the bottom, 1, 2, and a 0 turn at the front. So it's probably a six disc. So let's turn all the discs. So everything's turned clockwise. I'll use the sparrows. Let's pop the picking tip all the way to the bottom. So the lock sits loose inside this housing, so it can be a little bit awkward. But if I can hold it steady. So first, or the rear disc, I don't feel anything turning it anti-clockwise, but when I return it back to the 0 cut, I get a faint little click. Get a good click from the next one up. If I can find a good click from that one. Again, we get a sort of stiff feeling going back anti-clockwise, and then when I return it, I get a little click. We get a click from that one. And I think that is us. We are open. So let's remove that. So yeah, it's a iron body. I don't think it's hardened steel. I think it's more like an iron. We do have a ball bearing locking mechanism, and let's say it's 6 disc, and this sort of rubber weather sealing. I think the rubber weather sealing is probably just to hide the rust more than to prevent it. But yeah, there we go. A little bit of picking success with the Sparrows disc detainer pick, which I must admit I much prefer the RWB custom Gen 3. It's far easier to keep the Gen 3 stable on the front of the lock because of its larger round face here. But you know, for those with a steady hand, the Sparrows does the job. So thanks for the lock, Roy, and thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.